guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
While we've covered a lot of fashion hacks, there are few tips and tricks that work perfectly for a curvy woman. I've spoken to a few friends who talk about similar hacks that they read in fashion magazine or online articles which actually don't work. So I thought today, why not share some tried and tested hacks with you guys. When looking for a nice sweater, don't go for something oversized that's going to cover up your hip line completely and has extremely long sleeves. It's going to hide your curves and might make your body look boxy. Instead, go for a fitted sweater with a slight flare at the bottom that hits just at your waist or your hip line. Make sure the sleeves finish 2 inches above your wrist, as it's going to give your body a little more definition. A straight fit is not the best pick when choosing a dress because it's going to look unflattering. Instead, go for an A-line or a dress that has a slight cinch on the waist. The cinch is going to highlight the slimmest part of your waist and give you that perfect hourglass figure. Use a belt to define your waist on a shirt or a dress to add more definition. Look for thick belts over thin belts. A thick belt is going to define your shape way better. While shopping for jeans, don't choose ones with a low rise, as it's going to give you a muffin top. Opt for denims that are high-waisted since they are going to give you the shape you want. Plus, they look great and can be teamed up with a simple tucked-in top. Okay, let me put it out there. Spanx or shapewear is the best thing out there for a woman of any size. If you're wearing a dress that has a snug fit, just wear Spanx underneath them and it's going to instantly smooth everything out. It's very important to maintain good posture and avoid that slouchy walk. Make sure you stand straight in front of the mirror, push your shoulders back. Stand tall and look confident. Chafing of the thighs can be the worst and in some cases even cause rashes. There are 2 products that are going to be your savior. The first one being baby powder. Just apply some on the area with the rash. The second being the roll-on deodorant. This is going to keep the inside of your thighs dry for the rest of the day. There are some days when your favorite pair of jeans just don't button up. This could happen right after you've washed them. Now all you need to do is spray some water on the area that feels a little tight and properly stretch it out. I hope these hacks help. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comment section below. Also guys, if you have questions, please let me know. I'd love to answer them. While you do that, don't forget to check out our POPxo shop. We've got amazing merchandise. We've got coffee mugs, laptop sleeves, phone covers, clocks, sweatshirts and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so click on it and enjoy shopping. And for more styling tips and tricks and news on celebrity looks, keep watching POPxo Fashion.